Hi there, this is James with Flair Distribution, coming to you today with our newest product, our RV Complete Pro Installation Kit. Now, we've worked on thousands of roofs all across the country and have come up with what you need to complete an entire roofing job all by yourself. So, included with our Pro Kits, first our sealant. We have our self-leveling sealant, as well as our non-sag sealant. The self-leveling is for all horizontal application, and your low-sag, non-sag is going to be for vertical applications. That's just to make sure that everything is watertight, sealed, make sure nothing can get into your RV. After that, we have our butyl tape. The butyl is very important, again, for waterproofing the RV. You want to make sure that this is on anything you screw in. So any vents, any termination bars, anything that is screwed to the top of your roof, you want to make sure that the butyl is there, again, for the watertight seal. Another important thing, the screw itself. So these screws are what you typically find on an RV. We include different amounts depending on the length that you purchase, but screws are included. That way you don't have to go find them yourself. You don't have to find which one works best for you. This is it. Next on the list is a stink cap, is what we call it. It's a sewer vent cap, and it does come apart. Now, many times when you're up on the roof, these may or may not need to be replaced. So these get very brittle and tend to crack and deteriorate the longer that you have them on your roof. So if you're replacing the roof on a older RV, older trailer, these very important to change out, again, to waterproof that RV. Next on the list is our rain gutter spout. Now this diverts all the rain or any condensation from the roof away from the RV, which should prolong not only the roof, but the walls. Now after everything is installed, we do include our screw cover. Now this just goes along the termination bar, covering that, keeping those screws watertight and providing that extra layer of protection. Next on the list is our AC seal. When you're replacing your roof, a lot of times these are old, worn out, don't provide the waterproof protection that they're meant to. So we include those as well. Now, our adhesive, very important because it glues down our roofing material. We include TPO and PVC with these kits. Last thing we do include is our rubber roof coating, and that coating is just, again, to prolong the life of the roof and make sure it is as protected as it can be. Now the last thing we have here is a roof vent. The roof vents are not included with the kits. However, they are an important part of replacing the roof. So if you are in need of a new roof vent, you can also add it on.